In this Wix website tutorial, let's take a look at how to change your site language. So we need to find our way to the dashboard of our site, whichever one you want to edit and change the language of. The default language is probably English, but we can change it to many other languages. And so if we go down to settings in the lower left, inside of here, we can find language and region. And so inside of language and region, we have site language. This is the default language people see on our site, the emails and the notifications they get from our site. And so this site language also affects the language of content in some apps that are installed on our site. And so we click this and it might be default English, but we could search for a language or select from this drop down. If I wanted to search for Spanish, for instance, I could do that and change the site language to Spanish. In the upper right hand corner, I can click the save button and now my site will appear in Spanish as opposed to English. And that's how you can change the language of your site here on Wix.